Market-driven strategy in banking, market segmentation and target markets explained. Why do banks offer different products to students, business owners, retirees, and digital-first customers? Why does one customer receive a mobile banking promotion while another receives investment recommendations? The answer is market-driven strategy. Modern banks no longer use a one-size-fits-all approach. Instead, they rely on customer data, market research, and strategic planning to deliver the right products to the right customers at the right time. In this lesson, we'll explore how market-driven strategies help banks identify target markets, improve customer experiences, and make smarter business decisions. A market-driven strategy is an approach where banks design products, services, and marketing efforts around customer needs and market opportunities. Instead of creating products first and searching for customers later, banks begin by understanding what customers want and then build solutions around those needs. This approach helps banks improve customer satisfaction, increase retention, strengthen competitive advantage, grow profitability, respond faster to market changes. At the center of market-driven strategy is market segmentation. Market segmentation is the process of dividing customers into smaller groups based on shared characteristics. Banks use segmentation because different customers have different financial goals, preferences, and behaviors. Common segmentation categories include age. A student may need basic checking and budgeting tools, while an older customer may prioritize retirement planning and wealth management. Income. Customers with different income levels often require different products and service models. Life stage. Financial priorities change as customers move through education, careers, homeownership, family growth, and retirement. Business type. Business banking clients may include startups, local businesses, professional firms, or larger commercial organizations. Banking behavior. Banks evaluate how customers interact with products, channels, and financial services. Segmentation allows banks to become more precise and effective. Once customers are segmented, banks move into target market selection. Target market selection is the process of choosing which customer groups the bank will focus on serving. Banks evaluate market opportunities based on customer demand, profitability, growth potential, and strategic goals. Examples of target markets include students. Banks may promote low-fee checking accounts, student credit cards, and mobile banking services. Small businesses. Banks may focus on business checking, lending solutions, payroll services, and cash management tools. Retirees. Products may include retirement planning, savings solutions, and wealth management services. High net worth clients. These customers often receive premium services, private banking, and investment support. Digital-first customers. Banks target these customers with mobile banking platforms, digital account opening, and technology-focused experiences. Selecting the right target market helps banks allocate resources more effectively and create stronger customer relationships. Another important concept is customer demographics and behavior. Demographics describe who customers are. Examples include age, income, occupation, location, education level. Behavior explains how customers interact with financial services. Examples include spending habits, product usage, mobile banking activity, transaction patterns, financial decision-making. When banks combine demographics with behavior analysis, they gain deeper insight into customer needs. Competitive analysis also plays a major role in market-driven strategy. Banks constantly evaluate competitors to understand product offerings, pricing approaches, digital capabilities, Customer experiences. Marketing messages. Competitive analysis helps banks identify opportunities to differentiate themselves and remain competitive. Product positioning is another critical marketing concept. Product positioning refers to how banks communicate the value and benefits of a product to customers. Positioning answers one important question: why should a customer choose this product instead of another option? For example, one bank may position its checking account as the easiest digital banking experience. Another may focus on rewards and convenience. Another may emphasize trust and long-term financial guidance. Strong positioning creates clear customer expectations and improves decision-making. Customer research and feedback also influence strategic decisions. Banks gather information through surveys, customer interviews, branch interactions, mobile app behavior, online reviews, customer satisfaction data. Feedback allows banks to improve products and adapt to changing expectations. Data analytics has become one of the most powerful tools in banking. Banks analyze large amounts of customer data to predict customer needs, improve personalization, detect opportunities, reduce customer attrition, support strategic planning. Data-driven decision-making allows banks to move from assumptions to measurable results. Digital transformation has accelerated market-driven strategy even further. Today's banks use technology to improve mobile experiences, customer engagement, personalized recommendations, self-service tools, faster decision-making. Digital transformation allows banks to respond quickly to changing customer expectations. Let's try a quick activity. Review a banking advertisement. Ask yourself, who is the target audience? What customer need is being addressed? What message is the bank communicating? This simple exercise helps reveal how market-driven strategies influence real-world marketing decisions. Now let's check your understanding. What is market segmentation? Market segmentation is dividing customers into groups based on shared characteristics and behaviors. Why do banks analyze customer behavior? Because understanding customer actions helps banks make better product and marketing decisions. What is product positioning? Product positioning is how banks communicate the value and benefits of products to customers. Today we covered market-driven strategy fundamentals, market segmentation, target markets, customer demographics and behavior, competitive analysis, product positioning, customer research, data analytics, and digital transformation. Understanding market-driven strategy helps banks create stronger customer relationships and smarter business decisions. Subscribe to Get It Financial Education for more banking training, financial literacy lessons, and professional development content. And remember, the most successful banks don't simply sell products. They understand customers first.
Disclaimer. This content is for educational purposes only and is not legal, compliance, or financial advice. Please consult a qualified professional before making any financial decisions.